The Netmaster MDJ net sewing machine is designed for the manufacture of aquaculture, fishing, industrial and sports netting. The Netmaster MDJ can join, double sew for extra strength, edge, insert filler cord and tape, and attach light rope. The MDJ features a powerful rear puller feed system which combines driven upper and lower feed rollers. The ergonomics of the Netmaster MDJ maximizes operator comfort and productivity. The powered table height adjustment, pedal position adjustment and comfort foot control pedals allow the operator to sit, lean or stand with their weight evenly distributed on both feet. The impressive feature set of the MDJ include rear puller feed, anti-jam feed rollers, ergonomic package, power-saving servo motor, needle up-down positioner, pneumatic presser foot, LED light, integrated silent compressor with cleaning gun, heavy-duty heat-treated sewing components, and heavy-duty casters. Spares kit and spare needles come as optional extras. Built in the UK, the Netmaster brand guarantees quality and innovation. Netmaster is the leading supplier of net sewing machines.